Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, we're going to be going over dowel joints for the butt joint. Again, basic woodworking joinery. We've covered nails in a butt joint. We've covered inset or nested screws in a butt joint. We've covered brad nails. And we've also covered the pocket screws. The next one is this one right here. The dowel joints that are put through here and then glued and sanded up. It can look really decorative and really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna walk you through that and how to do it. A couple tips. If you don't have a really nice drill press that you can lock into place, oftentimes what I'll do is I'll take a drill bit, I'll figure out and measure how deep I want to go into the wood, and then I'll put a piece of tape. And that kind of tells me visually where I need to stop. Okay, let's get this going. So as per usual, we have our two pieces of wood. I'm using CA glue and accelerator to help me put them together. Get caught, watch out. There you go, okay. Now, we're gonna drill the holes. Square. So I'm gonna take my square, find the middle of the board, and I'll mark it. Perfect. I would like to go about that deep, okay? So we're going to tape it off. It's an estimate, not perfect, but actually, I think that's a little too deep. So I want to go about that deep, okay? And we're gonna put her in. I like to separate it into three. We'll do three for fun here. 1, 2, 3. Screw in here. Okay, we've got the holes drilled. Now, in this case, we would put glue and then we would hammer the dowels in. So let me get the glue for that. Put the glue in. Honestly, I'm just putting a little glue here, but I'd want to use a needle point tip here so I can get the glue all the way down. Also a tip, you can see these dowels have little grooves on them. If you're making your own, make sure to put some knife marks in here on the side so the glue can escape as you're pressing it in. If not, it will have some issues. Now, what we have left is these three things. We want this to dry, so I'm gonna clean this up. Several ways to do this. You can kind of chip away at it with a chisel, but I prefer to use my Japanese saw. Whenever I'm doing that, I like to put down some tape here so I don't damage the piece. Like that, okay. That here. This is my Japanese pull saw. Very handy for doing some unique cuts. The thing about this is it's called a pull saw because it only cuts on the pull action, not when you're pushing. Okay, so like this. Do that there, and there we go. Through dowel butt joint strengthening. And there you have it. A through dowel strengthening of a butt joint. In the next videos, we've basically done everything we can with the butt joint, and we're going to be going to go through rabbets, dados, and grooves. And for example, let me pull this over here. this is an example of a rabbet. Little shelf there, and then you'll put the butt of the wood right there, and then you have similar ways of fastening it, keeping it strong. And we'll go over that next time. Have a great day.